finding quality pet products can be challenging. That's why we drew on our extensive knowledge of the pet industry to produce videos intended to direct pet owners towards the brands and products most deserving of their attention. Our videos contain countless hours of research and review analyzing, so you can be certain if you pick from the list, you can choose one of the best models of this year. Let's get started.
The Hoover Air Cordless handheld vacuum powers through cleaning with fade-free cordless convenience. Powered by our Lithium Life battery system, everyday cleanups around your home are quick and easy. Use the crevice tool to get into tight, hard-to-clean spots with ease. Or attach the motorized turbo tool to pick up hair and debris on furniture or stairs. And with a long-running battery and large-capacity dirt cup, you can get the job done with fewer interruptions. Plus, it fits into our Air Cordless 2-in-1, sold separately, for extra versatility to clean carpets and hard floors. The Air Cordless handheld runs on the same technology that powers our full-size vacuums. You can even use the same battery from other Hoover Lithium Life cleaners in this one. And we've protected your purchase with a 2-year limited warranty that covers not only your cleaner, but also the battery that powers it. The Hoover Air Cordless handheld. Powerful, versatile, cordless.
The Hoover Cruise Cordless Ultralight Vacuum makes it easy to tackle life's everyday messes. A removable hand vac and a variety of tools get you to the mess, no matter where it is. So go up, down, and all around with the Hoover Cruise Cordless Vacuum.
I just leave the vacuum out so I can keep up with them.
My cleaning day? It should be every day.
What? I'm saving it for later.
With its long-lasting lithium-ion battery, the Hoover Linx Cordless Stick Vac helps you keep up with the messes as they happen, wherever they happen. And it's the only cordless stick vac with patented wind tunnel technology. The Linx Cordless Stick Vac from Hoover.
Hoover, nobody does it like you.